start with chapter number 12, that is some natural phenomena. So in this chapter, let's study about some natural phenomena. We have drought, thunder, lightning, flood, volcano. These are the different natural phenomena. So what are these natural disasters? This is tsunami, ho gaya, cyclone, volcano and earthquake. And natural disasters are the lot cause lot of damage to life as well as property. So damage done by such a calamities is so much that it affects thousands of people, those who are living in those areas. So we have read about cyclones and the strong winds and the damage done by them and the measure that can be taken to minimize the loss caused by natural disaster. So we study about how they are caused and the ways to reduce the loss. जिससे हम इसके reduce कर सके loss को. So you might have seen electric sparks. आपने electric poles देखे होंगे when the wires become loose. So when a plug is loose in a socket, आप देखेंगे sometimes we notice flashes of the light over the sky during the rain and thunderstorms. इसको हम lightning कहते हैं. It occurs because massive electric charge flow from clouds from one part of the cloud to another, from a cloud to the ground has taken. And the first, let's learn about the electric charge. Let's study about the electric charge. To understand nature of electric charges, we perform following activity. To show that charged body attracts tiny bits of paper towards itself. आपको क्या करना है, एक प्लास्टिक स्केल लेना है, कुछ बिट्स ऑफ पेपर लेना है, आपको क्या करना है, उसको ऐसे रब करना है. आप पॉम भी ले सकते हैं, अपने हेयर्स में रब करोगे तो जैसे आप पेपर्स के पास ले जाओगे तो आप देखेंगे वो अट्रैक्ट करेगी. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. राइट नाउ हेयर व्हेन यू हैव, आपने सिलेटेड बैलून लिखा है एक इन्फ्लेट, आप उसको सिल्क क्लॉथ में रखो, आप क्या वो आपको क्या दिखाएगा, इट विल शो दैट इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज बॉडी इज अट्रैक्टेड टू अनचार्ज बॉडी. जो इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज बॉडी होगी वो किसको अट्रैक्ट होगी, अनचार्ज बॉडी. राइट नाउ फ्रॉम अवर एक्टिविटीज वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट रबिंग कैन प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इन द ऑब्जेक्ट. और ये जो प्रोसेस है इन दिस हेयर एंड द क्लॉथ ऑल्सो एक्वायर इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. सो ऑब्जेक्ट दैट हैव इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज ऑन इट, इट इज कॉल्ड चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट. Right? Or the charge do not move themselves and they are limited to the surface. तो इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, static charge. Right? So we can say that charge produced by one kind of force in them due to which they attract or repel each other. इस force को क्या बोला जाता है, electric static force. Now types of electric charge. First is your Benjamin Franklin discovered there are two types of electric charge. दो तरीके के होते हैं, positive and negative. Right? It is accepted that charge on the glass rod when it is rubbed into silk cloth तो वो positive होता है, और जब एबनॉइड रॉड के साथ रब करा जाता है तो वो नेगेटिव होता है. राइट हेयर द एक्टिविटी इज ऑल्सो शोन टू शो दैट लाइक चार्ज इज रिपेल एंड अनलाइक चार्ज इज अट्रैक्टिंग. तो आप दो ग्लास रॉड लीजिए, सिल्क क्लोथ लीजिए, टू एबनोटाइट रॉड्स लीजिए, टू स्ट्रिंग्स एंड टू वुडन स्टैंड. राइट रब अ ग्लास रॉड विद द सिल्क क्लोथ and hang it on the wooden stand with the help of string. Now rub another glass rod and bring close to the rod that is suspended. ठीक है, जो wooden stand से क्या होती है, थोड़ा suspended, थोड़ा दूर होती है. What you will do then? Part B, rub a hypnotized rod with the wool and suspend it to the another stand with the help of the string. Right? And then bring a charged hypnotized rod close to the charged glass rod. आप क्या observe करोगे, आप देखोगे changes देखोगे आप. Right? कि वो क्या करती है, टूट जा रही है. द चार्ज ऑफ द ग्लास रॉड इज नॉट क्लोज. जैसे आप क्लोज लाओगे तो ग्लास रॉड की होगी हिप्नोटाइट रॉड की तरफ मूव करेगी. राइट वी कंक्लूड दैट टू नेगेटिवली चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट रिपेल ईच अदर, टू पॉजिटिवली चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट रिपेल ईच अदर. अगर ग्लास रॉड से हिप्नोटाइट रॉड है तो रिपेल करेंगे. राइट और नेगेटिव चार्ज, और अगर ग्लास रॉड है तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज भी क्या करेंगे, रिपेल. नाउ वी हैव रिपल्शन इन द श्योर टेस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. यू हैव सीन अ चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट अट्रैक्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट विद opposite charge and also uncharged object. Attraction by a charged object does not indicate whether the object is being tested is charged or not. So when the object is being tested is repelled by a charged object, you become sure that जो object होगा अंतर examination वो charge होगा, उसके क्या होंगे, same charge. The test whether the object is charged, you if it is attracted. ठीक है, अगर वो attract हो रहा है दोनों से तो it is not charged. If it is repelled by positively charged object, it is positively charged. Right? Now electric charges in the atoms. So we can say that all matter is made up of tiny particles. हम atoms कहते हैं. Atom consists of three main particles. इसमें protons होते हैं, electrons होते हैं और neutrons होते हैं. Right? So a proton carry positive charge, electrons carry negative charge. और जो neutrons होते हैं इसमें कोई भी charge नहीं होता There is no charge, it's have neutrons. Methods of charging. We have friction, conduction and induction. Charging by friction. So we have seen that plastic comb is rubbed with dry hair, so it acquires charge. और जो small pieces है ना paper के उनको attract करता है. So when we rub a ebonite rod with fur, it also acquires charge. When the object is rubbed against another object, वो क्या करता है? वो ट्रांसफर करता है. चार्ज को क्या करता है? एक ऑब्जेक्ट से दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट पे ट्रांसफर करता है. Now charging by conduction. When a charged object is touched with positively or negatively charged object, so what happened? The uncharged object acquired the same charge and it is possessed by the charged object. Now charging by induction. जब आप क्या करते हो? ऑब्जेक्ट को ड्रैग करते हो और उसको नियर द चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट रखते हो, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? चार्जिंग. If that in the charging by induction, no change flow from charged object or uncharged object. When the object is negatively charged, electrons को repel करता है, right? And uncharged object become electron deficient, that is positively charged. The further end of the uncharged object becomes negatively charged, and और क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे excess of electrons. Now transfer of charge. Electroscope is an instrument which is used to detect the whether an object is charged or not. वो detect करता है कि क्या ऑब्जेक्ट चार्ज है या नहीं. Now here the method is given. Take a wide mounted bottle and place a cardboard on the top and make a hole. ऐसे आप cardboard रख के इसमें hole बनाओ. Turn both ends of the wire as shown in the figure and touch a charged ebonite rod with upper end and observe. आप ये ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि 2 एल्यूमिनियम स्ट्रिप, ये जो 2 एल्यूमिनियम के स्ट्रिप्स है ना, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द मेटल वायर ये रिपेल करेंगे और वाइड आउट होगी. बट व्हेन द मेटल स्क्वायर इज सच, द स्ट्रिप क्या होती है? अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे वापस आ जाए. तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है? दिस हैपन बिकॉज नेगेटिव चार्ज इज ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम ebonite rod to the metal wire and aluminum strips through conduction. और जो लाइक चार्जेस है वो रिपेल करता है और स्ट्रिप कैसी बन जाती है? वाइड ओपन. We see that electric charge is transferred from a charged object to another through conduction, and when the metal wire is such, जो aluminium strips होती है वो वापस आ जाती है अपनी original position. The process in which charge of the charged body is transferred to the earth, it is called earthing. And device it is known as electroscope, and it is used to check whether the object is charged or. Then we have lightning. It is a kind of static electricity जो क्या produce करती है atmosphere में. All of us have seen lightning during the rainy season. So we can say, let us understand phenomena that cause lightning. During the rainy season, जो clouds है, they contain water droplets in them, and these clouds are rubbed against each other. और हम इसको एक दूसरे की तरफ क्या करते हैं? रब करते हैं. And upper edges of the clouds, while the negative charges accumulate near the lower edges, right? So we can say that charge is too high, the clouds are brought nearer by the winds, and the negative and the positive charge meet. And what they produce? They produce bright glue. जिससे हम क्या कहते हैं? Lightning. आपने देखी होगी. And the expansion of the air produce vibration in the air, जिससे loud sound होता है, thunder कहते हैं. And the lightning can also be between. देखो charge जो carry करता है आपका cloud and the earth. When the charged clouds rub against the tall building or trees with opposite charge, the charge flow tremendously, and we call it as a lightning strike. In olden days, people were scared of lightning as they considered it as an interpretation of God's end. But now, since we know that actually causes lightning, we should not be scared but take a proper. आपको लेकिन proper measure लेने हैं जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो? Protect कर सकते हो अपने आप. Lightning conductor. A lightning conductor is a device which is used to protect building from effect of light. So when the building is being constructed, a metallic rod with spikes at this end, which is taller than the building is installed. One end of this rod is buried in the ground and the other end is left open in the. Now precaution during thunder and lightning. So inside the house, if we talk about, one should not take a bath in thunderstorm with running water. Do not use the electric appliances during the thunderstorm. In fact, the electric appliances should be unplugged. Non-metal pipe should be touched, right? Cordless phones or mobile phones can be used, but the use of any kind of wired phone is not advised. Outside the home, do not come out soon after the last thunder. One must find a safer place, right, on hearing the thunder. If outside in open field, do not stand near any metal poles or trees. One can take shelter in the car with doors and windows closed. Do not take shelter near a water body. Do not lie on the flat ground. One should squat on the ground with hands or the knees since the position makes you smallest and largest to be. Now earthquake. It is a natural sand phenomena which causes sudden trembling, shaking of the earth or for a short interval. It cannot be, however, accurately predicted. आप इसको predict नहीं कर सकते. And so it is difficult to reduce the loss, and the earthquake is a sudden trembling of the earth. It lasts for few seconds only. This is caused due to disturbances deep below the earth. But if the intensity of the earthquake is high, it can bring about floods, tsunami and landslide. तो हम अब अर्थ के बारे में समझते हैं स्ट्रक्चर को. वी हैव ट्रस्ट, मेंटर, कोर, 3 लेयर्स. ठीक है. कोर आपकी दो होती है, इनर एंड आउटर कोर. व्हाट आर द कॉजेज ऑफ अर्थक्वेक? The uppermost part of the earth is not in form single piece. It form many pieces. जिसे हम टेक्टोनिक प्लेट है. So some of these tectonic plates burst against each other, and this process gets deformed or displaced. और जो sign होता है tremors का, which is deep below the surface, that causes earthquake. These are the different. आप देख रहे हैं, यूरेशियन प्लेट हो गई, ये आपकी नॉर्थ अमेरिकन प्लेट, ये यूरेशियन प्लेट है. ठीक है. अरेबियन प्लेट, कैरिबियन प्लेट, दीज आर द डिफरेंट टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स. जब ये मिलती हैं, राइट, तो क्या होता है? earthquake occur. Now let's study about some important terms related to it. First is seismic focus. A place of origin of the earthquake inside the earth is called seismic force. From this point, shock waves spread in all directions. Right? Focal depth क्या होती है? It is that earth surface is called focal depth of the earthquake have focal depth of 60 to 70 किलोमीटर, जिसको हम shallow कहते हैं. अगर डेप्थ 70 to 300 है तो इंटरमीडिएट होती है, और इससे ज़्यादा जो होती है 700 से वो डीप. What is epicenter? Point on the surface of the earth that is directly above the focus on the earth. It's from epicenter. क्या? Seismic waves generated inside the earth surface due to earthquake, इसको हम seismic waves कहते हैं या फिर shock waves. Seismic graph क्या होता है? It is a graph that tells the intensity of the seismic waves that is recorded by the instrument called seismograph. The seismograph consists of vibrating rod जो vibrate करना start करती है when the tremors occur. So पेन जो होता है वो एक सिस्टम से अटैच होता है जो रिकॉर्ड करता है. वेव्स को किस पे रिकॉर्ड करता है? पेपर पे. रिचर्ड स्केल इट इज यूज्ड टू मेजर मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द earthquake. ये जो मैग्नीट्यूड होता है ना earthquake का, उसे मेजर. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट earthquake? So since the earthquake cannot be predicted, they can be highly destructive or yet great loss or property of life and property. The only way to protect ourselves from the nature of the earthquake, you have to keep in mind, you should take some precaution. The houses in the area should be made of light material like mud and timber. Building should be designed in such a way कि वो खड़ी रहे, collapse ना करे. Almirahs and wardrobes should be fixed in the wall so that do not fall easy. Right? The roof of the house should be made light as possible. The door of the house should be easy to open and should open outward. Right? These are some precautions that you should take. Next, that is the building should be equipped with fire extinguisher equipment. Inside the house, if you are lying down on the bed, jump right beneath the bed and remain there till there is no tremor. If you are able to manage to move outdoors, run immediately. Stay away from heavy things. जितने भी heavy things हैं आपको उनसे दूर रहना. Right? Turn off the power supply immediately. Outside the house, be careful. Do not panic. Be patient and still be safe. Right? Do not move out if you are traveling in a car. Drive slowly. Find the open space from any poles, tree, building. इनसे आपको दूर खड़ा. Right? This is all in this chapter. Now, let's move to the exercise. First is select the correct option. Static charges are charges that are at rest. A charged glass rod will repel charged ebonite rod. Lightning occurs as a result of flow of charge. A sudden shaking of the earth is called earthquake. Earthquake is measured by Richter scale. Now fill in the blanks. Dash pole attract each other. Unlike charge attract each other. A negative charge will repel a negative charge will repel a negative charge. The dash caused due to internal disturbances, that is earthquake. Dash are recorded by seismograph tremors. A lightning dash saves house from. A lightning conductor save house from damage by lightning. Right, T for true and F for false. The convection says that glass rod is positively charged. Extrudes. The lightning is caused by in the dry weather. It's true. Right. Next is the structure of earth is in 2 parts. False. 3 parts में है crust, mantle, core. Seismograph measure magnitude of the earthquake. It's true. Next is short answers. What happens when you rub a plastic comb on dry hair? ठीक है, तो आपके इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज हो जाता है वो, और आप क्या कर सकते हो. व्हाट इज स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? व्हाट डू मीन बाय लाइटनिंग कंडक्टर? लाइटनिंग कंडक्टर क्या होते हैं? एपिसेंटर बताना, रिचर स्केल क्या होता है. ना लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. हाउ कैन यू शो दैट लाइट चार्जेस रिपेल एंड लाइट चार्जेस अट्रैक्ट? व्हाट इज लाइटनिंग? हाउ डज लाइटनिंग टेक प्लेस? यू हैव टू डिस्कस द वर्किंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेबल डायग्राम. एंड व्हाट आर द प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स? आपको क्या प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स लेनी चाहिए व्हेन यू हैव टू गेट स्टक फ्रॉम द लाइट, राइट? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.